Now it's time for a short story with letter C. Listen carefully and say the C words with me. One day, a little cat was sitting near a car. Inside the car, there was a yummy cake and a hot cup of milk. The cat saw the cake and said, "Meow, meow, I want cake." The cat jumped into the car, ate the cake, and drank from the cup. The cat was so happy. It started playing with the colorful camera. The cat clicked photos of the car, the cake, and even itself. Wow, what a funny cat! Did you enjoy it? Now, did you hear all the C words? K, cat, k, car, k, cake, k, cup, k, camera. Very good.